Hi, I am Imal Aswath. Now I am going to teach for 12th standard. The chapter is inverse trigonometric functions. If tan inverse x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 by x plus 2 equal to pi by 4, then find the value of x. This one tan inverse x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 by x plus 2 equal to pi by 4. So on seeing this problem, we have to remember that formula, that is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. 1 minus xy. First you have to remember this problem, that is a formula. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus x by xy. So here it is given tan inverse x, that is in the place of x you are having this one, and in the place of y you are having this one. So first tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y. So tan inverse x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus this one, you have to write this. Then for y, x plus 1 by x plus 2 divide by 1 minus x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 into y, that is x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. So this is the whole bracket equal to pi by 4. It is given as pi by 4. It is equal to pi by 4. Now tan inverse x minus 1, x minus 2. So here we got to find the LCM, that is tan inverse x minus 2 and x plus 2, that is x square minus 4. So here in the denominator you are having x minus 2, so multiply by x plus 2. So x minus 1 into x plus 2, x minus 1 into x plus 2, then between plus, then here x minus 2 is not having, therefore x plus 1 and x minus 2. Divide by x square minus 4 and divide by this one 1 minus, here x minus 2, x plus 2, so x square minus 4, denominator x square minus 4, here x square minus 1, x square minus 1. So now we close this, equal to pi by 4. Now I bring this one tan, here though tan pi by 4. So here x minus 1, x minus x plus 2, so x square minus 1 plus 2, that is equal to plus 1, so plus x minus 2, then plus here x square, then here plus 1 minus 2, so minus x, then 1 into minus 2, minus 2, divided by x square minus 4, here x square minus 4, here also x square minus 4 get cancelled, divide by x square minus 4 minus x square plus 1 equal to tan pi by 4. What is tan pi by 4? That is equal to 1. Tan pi by 4 equal to 1. Now here x square, therefore what you get is 2x square. Here plus x, here minus x. Here minus 2, therefore minus 4. Here denominator x square minus x square get cancelled. Then minus 4, here plus 1, that is equal to minus 3. So here what you get is minus 3. So 2x square minus 4 equal to minus 3. Now you have to bring this one here. So which implies 2x square equal to minus 3. Here plus 4, therefore it is equal to 1. So what you get is x square equal to 1 by 2. So x equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2, plus or minus 1 by root 2. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.